Kia ora. Lucianne asked me to put together this video talking about my experience here at Waitaki District Council as a summer student and how Enviro Schools has shaped me to be who I am and how I've utilised these skills in this position. So my experience here at Waitaki District Council has been very inspiring. It's opened my eyes to the different kinds of jobs and opportunities within council and ones that draw upon environmental skills and knowledge. So before beginning my internship, I had no clue what kind of opportunities could offer within local government, especially these opportunities which draw upon Enviro Schools kaupapa. I went to high school at Waitaki Girls, which was an Enviro school, and at school I was passionately involved in Enviro Club. I led it for 2 years and it organised many events and campaigns and activities at school and in the community. The Enviro Schools kaupapa has provided me with a base of knowledge and experience in communicating and advocating for change, planning campaigns and initiatives, as well as communicating environmental issues. So these experiences have been very useful as a summer student this year and in my studies so far as well as an environmental science student at the University of Canterbury. So here at Council I've been based in the planning department, but I've been very grateful to have been given the opportunity to work in a few other departments. I did a bit of work for the Waitaki Whitestone Geopark, worked a lot in waste minimisation, biodiversity, and helped with the district plan review as well. I've been most drawn towards biodiversity and waste minimisation, as this mahi is aligned quite directly to my passion for protecting our taiao, as well as my interest in conservation and reducing, reusing and recycling. So I felt that while working on waste minimisation, I've really been able to draw upon my Enviro Schools knowledge and experiences from high school. So we worked on better waste systems and minimisation processes at Waitaki Girls. And one of the big jobs I was working on here at Council was looking at our recycling, especially paper and cardboard. How can we improve these systems? So there's been a lot of crossover and it's been really cool because I've been able to utilise the skills learnt at high school and through Enviro Schools and apply it here in the workplace. I was also asked if I could help facilitate an Enviro Schools Principals Breakfast with Lucianne and Robin Zink from Otago. This was really cool because I got to share some words as well about my experience here at Council and about how I'm drawing upon my Enviro Schools knowledge and experiences after school and how this is helping me in the rest of my life as well. So at high school, I was developing my worldview and discovering my passions and the things I cared about, and I was lucky that for me the school was a space that this could be encouraged and empowered through the Enviro Schools program. So I was able to explore where my passion lie and take action for te taiao and for the environment. It was also really cool because I got to meet like-minded people. So we went down to Dunedin for the Enviro Schools secondary school hui. And this was really cool because it was a chance to meet like-minded people, help each other, share experiences and advice, and just know that there's other people that care about the same things and that you're not alone in how you feel. So I think that's really important, is to provide these connections for young people to meet people that think like them, care about the things that they care about, and the Enviro Schools kaupapa is really good in this way. And I really love the idea that now students are starting the Enviro Schools journey in kindergarten, and that's continuing all the way through their primary school, high school experience, and we're getting these Enviro Schools graduates who are full and bursting of environmental passion and knowledge and experiences, which is going to encourage sustainability in their lives and communities for the rest of their life. So I've really enjoyed learning about the diverse and different roles here at Council and where my degree could lead me. I think it's really important that we share these opportunities and we draw awareness to the different opportunities for environmental students. So we need to do all that we can to uplift and empower these students to go on and create change in their communities and their workplaces and beyond.